Hey guys, it's Ashley. Today we're going to be heading to the thrift store. I want to buy a pair of jeans so that I can paint them. So if you guys have ever seen jeans like Brandy Melville, I don't know where else, they're all painted, they all look really cool, and I am really wanting to paint my own jeans. So today I am heading right over to the thrift store. I'm currently driving. Andrew, if you pan out on the beautiful scenery around here, I actually live in Alaska. It gets a little bit cold, but truly seeing the Aurora Borealis, there's nothing else like it. There's literally nothing else like it. If you guys want to see my recent thrift haul, I will link that in the description. I will also link my Vans haul, or not my Vans haul, my Vans collection if you want to see all the Vans that I own, plus an honest review. So if you're looking to get Vans, check it out. I was really close to the back of that car. Wait, I have to park.
Pull it up at the thrift.
Can you hold these? Why?
Dear born, you'll be out soon, stay strong. Out in New York, the same shit is going on. The crackheads stalking, loud mouths is talking. Ho, check out the story yesterday when I was walking. Shot last year, try to appear like he hurting something. Word him up, I heard him frontin', and he be pumping on your block. Your man gave him your Glock, and now they run together. What up, son? Whatever.
Oh man, I feel so attacked right now.
I need to make more slime. Slime.
These are the Levi's I got. They're dark wash. I would have liked light wash, but they didn't have any, so I'll take what I can get. They were only like $3. All right, and then I got this dark wash denim skirt, which is from Gap. Once again, kind of wish that I found light wash, but I think that this will look really nice if I use like white paint. The contrast I think will look good. This is also the shirt I got from the thrift store. IKEA, please sponsor me. Hey guys, so I've set up my workspace. We're gonna start painting. I'm starting off with my denim skirt right here. Let me now open up this pack of fabric paint. That was easier than I thought. So I got this for half off, so it only came with these 3 colors: red, white, and black. All right, actually, let me first off say this. I made a drawing on this napkin of what I was thinking of maybe doing. This is like a really crappy drawing. I don't know if this makes sense, but I want to do checkers on my skirt because that looks like cool. I don't really know if it's gonna end up actually looking like that, but I'm gonna try my best. So let's get into it. Okay, this is actually like puffy 3-dimensional paint, but since I'm painting it downwards, we're just gonna make it work. Yeah, you guys saw that? Well, I feel bad. This is like a nice skirt. I'm literally scared. There I go, fully ruining it. LOL, rest in peace this skirt. We're gonna try our best today, all right, guys? I love arts and crafts. It is truly one of my passions. I think painted clothes are pretty cool.
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do.
I hate my life. Okay, this paintbrush literally sucks, but I'm gonna have to do multiple layers of this, like I can already tell. Oh. Okay, here we go, guys. I'm painting in my first little cube. I love drawing, painting. This is right up my alley. It's truly, this paintbrush is just terrible. This is how it's looking so far. I know it's looking really rough, but trust me, it's gonna look fine once we do the second coat. I think definitely drawing like at least like a little thin line across the skirt or the pants, whatever you're doing it on, like definitely really helps you make sure that everything's looking like even and good, so you don't have like too many squares, rectangles, triangles, circles. You don't want it to be a mess. Right here in the crotch area, this is where you gotta be careful because you don't want to make mistakes. Don't want to go on the other side, you know? You gotta have a really precise surgical hand. Okay, you see this skirt? It's looking like a racing flag. If you're walking outside and a car sees you in this skirt, they're gonna stop. All right, it's day 3. I finished the front side of my skirt. It looks like this. Not day 3. Well, yes, it actually is day 3 because thrifting, painting again. Today's day 3. All right, it's like day 100. These are done. I'm so excited. But we're not done just yet. I still have these. These are my Levi's that I bought earlier. I'm trying to do something easy. Maybe a stripe down the leg would be fitting. Hey guys, I just had a great idea to use tape this time because it would actually be easier to use tape. Guess what? Look at that. That's a pretty good line if I do say so myself. There we go. I hope you guys can get like some inspiration from this. If you make anything similar, send me a picture. I would love to see it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like this if you are watching this far, or if you just want to help a girl out, and subscribe to be notified whenever I post a new video.